This is a used 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche, powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Metro Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5422 Wayne Terrace, Madison, Wisconsin, 53718.